Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcash on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, we're going to learn how to find missing or permanently deleted emails in Outlook. Okay, so there is some process you have to follow to find out your permanently deleted emails in Outlook. So guys, in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you. So let's start with the video. Before we starting, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me open Outlook here. Okay, so in my, let me go to the inbox. Okay, so I delete some emails from here. Okay, when you delete emails intentionally or by mistakenly, it will be went to the deleted items, or you can say trash items. You can find out here. Okay, you will see the deleted item here. But if you delete from here also, if I delete from here also, so it will be permanently deleted. So you can say I have deleted two item here. So now I want to recover it. I thought it was the important emails, and I want to recover it. So there is a one process. Okay, so here you have to go in folders option, and here you will see the under the cleanup tab, you will see the option called record deleted items. Click on it. Then you will see your deleted items here. You can say I have deleted two emails which is there, and you can see it. Now you can restore it, like just right click on it, or just hold the control key and select both items or multiple items, and just click on restore select item, click on OK. Okay, or you can select all from here and click on OK. You can see now if I go to the inbox, so both item has been restored. Okay, so guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.